10 AI stocks under $5 that could 10x your investment. Hey everyone, welcome back to Mind Your Personal Business. If you're looking for that one cheap AI stock to turn a few bucks into a fortune, then this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'm revealing 10 AI stocks under $5 that could 10x your investment. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for every single pick. By the end of this video, you'll not only know which stocks to look out for, but also how to spot opportunities before they blow up. Ready? Let's dive right in. 1. Remark Holdings. Mark. Kicking off our list is Remark Holdings, a company that's making serious waves in AI-driven video analytics. Their AI technology is already being used in retail, healthcare, and even public safety sectors. Think of it like this. Remark is turning surveillance cameras into AI-powered detectives that don't just watch. They predict what's going to happen next. Imagine the impact this could have on security and retail. And with a stock price sitting under $5, this is one of those sleeper picks that could explode when larger companies take notice. What would happen if major retailers like Walmart or Amazon started using Remark's AI technology? Could this stock 10x overnight? Let me know what you think in the comments. 2. C3.ai. Next up, C3.ai. Not exactly a penny stock all the time, but this one is worth mentioning because it's dipped into penny territory before, and the potential here is huge. They're transforming enterprise AI, helping companies predict trends, prevent disasters, and optimize operations. C3.ai is like the operating system for artificial intelligence in the enterprise world. They help big companies predict everything, from supply chain issues to equipment breakdowns. Here's something most people don't realize. They've partnered with giants like Microsoft and Google to deliver AI solutions. Think about that. The biggest tech companies are working with them. What happens when those partnerships expand? Could this stock be sitting at $50 in the next few years? You be the judge. 3. Veritone Inc. Veri. Now, Veritone is a game changer in the world of real-time data processing. Their AI software is being used everywhere, from law enforcement to media companies, to optimize processes and deliver insights in real time. Imagine having an AI assistant that processes data faster than any human could, like having a super brain at your disposal. That's exactly what Veritone provides. But here's where it gets exciting. Veritone recently secured contracts with multiple media companies to automate advertising and content distribution using AI. This is a massive revenue driver that could send their stock soaring. Do you think AI will eventually take over media planning and content creation? If so, Veritone is one to watch closely. 4. GuardForce AI, GFAE. GuardForce AI is another under-the-radar stock that could 10x your investment. They specialize in AI-powered security solutions, using robots and cloud computing to protect both physical and digital spaces. Imagine walking into a shopping mall where robots are handling security, patrolling the floors, scanning for threats, and keeping everyone safe. That's not science fiction. It's exactly what GuardForce is working on right now. But here's where it gets even more interesting. GuardForce is expanding into cybersecurity, which means they're tackling both the digital and physical worlds with AI. Imagine the stock price once they fully penetrate the cybersecurity market. 5. BigBear.ai, BBI. BigBear.ai is a powerful AI company that specializes in decision-making tools for government and businesses. They're working with the Department of Defense, using AI to help in everything from mission planning to predictive maintenance. Think of Big Bear as the strategic brain for organizations. They're the ones running the simulations and giving you the best options to succeed. It's like having a military strategist in AI form. And here's a fun fact most people don't know. Big Bear is also involved in AI for space exploration. Yup, they're working on AI technology that could end up in space. Now imagine what that does to their stock once this goes mainstream. 6. Oblong Inc. OBLG. Oblong is all about enhancing how people collaborate, using AI to improve virtual meetings. Think Zoom, but on a whole new level of efficiency, using AI to predict and smooth over conversation flows in real time. If you've ever been in a meeting where people talk over each other, Oblong's AI smooths it out. It's like having a virtual referee ensuring meetings are productive and seamless. What would happen if Oblong got a massive contract with a company like Microsoft or Zoom? Could this be the next tech boom stock? 7. Lantronix Inc., LTRX. Lantronix focuses on the infrastructure of AI, the networking and IT solutions needed to support AI and IoT, Internet of Things innovations. They're like the backbone of the entire AI industry. The company's solutions are being adopted by companies in healthcare, manufacturing, and automotive sectors, and they recently launched a new line of products specifically designed to handle the future demands of AI networks. This stock is currently under $5, but could skyrocket as IoT and AI continue to grow. 8. SoundHound AI Sound. SoundHound is making big waves in the voice recognition space. You've probably used their technology without even knowing it. Anytime you talk to a voice assistant like Alexa or Siri, chances are SoundHound's AI is working in the background. Have you ever asked your voice assistant a question and it's responded instantly? That's because of AI companies like SoundHound who are developing these seamless interactions. But it's not just smart homes. SoundHound is expanding into the automotive industry where voice AI will become a must-have in every car. Imagine what happens to this stock when that takes off. 9. Alethea Group, Alia. Alethea is integrating AI into industries that desperately need modernization. Think cloud computing, enterprise software, and data analytics for Fortune 500 companies. The best part? They're already working with major corporations, which means their stock could skyrocket as these projects gain more traction. You don't want to sleep on this one. 10. GBT Technologies, GTSH. Last, but certainly not least, we have GBT Technologies. This company is pushing boundaries in AI-based research and development, from cybersecurity to smart devices. Imagine a future where your car not only drives itself but communicates with other vehicles around it to prevent accidents before they happen. That's the kind of future GBT is working on right now. But here's where it gets really wild. They're also developing AI-driven medical devices. If they get FDA approval, the stock could easily 10x overnight. Bonus: secret AI stock under $1. Alright, I promised you a bonus, didn't I? This hidden gem AI stock is currently trading under $1 and has massive upside potential. It's involved in AI automation and robotics, and I'll be revealing this pick in my next video. There you have it. 10 AI stocks under $5 with incredible potential to 10x your investment. The AI revolution is just beginning, and getting in on the ground floor could be the key to turning a small investment into life-changing gains. If you want to learn more about how to spot these kinds of opportunities early, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell because my next video will reveal an exclusive strategy used by pro investors. Don't miss out! Please remember that we're not licensed financial advisors. The information given is only for educational purposes, so please do your own research before buying any stocks. Don't forget to drop a comment below and tell me which AI stock excites you the most. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching.